This is a pulley. That's the only way you're getting this off. After you undo that nut, which should have been done on this motor, not after the fact. The reason why we're doing this is because we're replacing this case onto this case because this broke. Two rubber, whereas you don't want to move it, follow down these little passages. This fucking thing is pretty much fucked. Some serious cleaning. I don't know if I'd use it. It's pretty, like, the failure rate on that is really fucking high. And if that fails, you will destroy a motor. But that's how you get into clean a case. The smartest thing to do is not. I've said it a bazillion times. No one ever listens to me. I'm posting this video just for purposes of people that want to know and learn. But in all reality, this inside, the way this works is it needs to be lubed at all times. That's why there's oil in the gas. That's why it's a two-stroke. So if you run it lean, that means you've got less oil in the gas, which is just really hard on parts in here. Everything gets hot, things fail. You can run it richer, but it won't run fast because it's gonna run with more oil and foul plugs and just run at a really weird rate, so it's not gonna be full speed. Now, if you find the happy mix, which is 50-1, and you use a good gas, which I used to be all about Chevron 94. I hate Chevron 94 now. I use Shell 91, and I use an octane boost that kicks it up to around about 110 octane, which just gives me a little bit extra for power and will let me pull away from other boards as well if I do tuning on the motors, which I know quite a bit about and I know what to do with them because I've been around them for a long time now. Ryan's board. I sold him my old race, and that thing was pimped out to the 9s, 10s, maybe even 20s. That board's fast. It pulls away from. We still haven't tried it, but I would love to, is put it next to a titanium because I seriously think it would actually pull a titanium.